You don't need millions of followers to land brand deals. You need trust, data, and clarity. Right now, creators with under 50,000 followers are earning more per post than some with 10 times their audience because they can prove one thing: return on trust. Today, we're breaking down how creators are winning brand deals in 2025 with real data, real numbers, and the tools that can help you do it too. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Social Billboard, where we decode what makes creators valuable, safe, and brand ready. According to Influencer Marketing Hub's 2025 benchmark report, influencer marketing is now worth over £25 billion globally, and more than 80% of brands say it's one of their most effective marketing channels. So if you've ever wondered how to get noticed, trusted, and actually paid, this one's for you. Here's the truth. Brands don't just chase reach anymore, they chase fit. Think of it like dating. They're not after popular, they're after compatible. Audience alignment. Brands start with audience data. A tech company wants 18 to 35-year-olds interested in innovation, not teenage gamers. Later's 2025 Trends report found that campaigns where audience fit is strong see 43% higher ROI. 2. Trust metrics. Engagement, comment quality, and consistency. Traackr's 2025 benchmark shows micro creators average 4.8% engagement, more than double macro creators. Brands now use tools like the Social Billboard to check your trust score before they ever reach out. 3. Content quality. In 2025, authentic beats aesthetic. UGC-style videos outperform traditional ads by 62%. If your content feels real, brands see you as credible, and that's what gets you paid. Let's take a look at some of the Social Billboard chart toppers, real creators turning trust into revenue. Tech and innovation, Marques Brownlee, MKBHD. Partnerships with Google and Samsung earn him around £15,000 per campaign. He doesn't just review products, he tells stories brands want to be part of. Lifestyle and entertainment, the Sidemen. From Prime to Spotify, they've built a brand ecosystem worth £50 million plus, with single collabs reaching £25,000 to £100,000. Fitness and wellness, Grace Beverley. Ex-Gymshark, now Tala. Her brand collabs still exceed £10,000 plus per campaign because her content drives genuine conversions. Business and education, Alex Hormozi. Collaborations with Kajabi and HubSpot yield £3,000 to £8,000 per video, with audiences built entirely around buyer intent. Beauty and lifestyle, Nikki Tutorials. Campaigns with Maybelline and Too Faced bring in £20,000 plus per YouTube integration. Megascale entertainment, Mr. Beast. His partnerships with SeatGeek and Shopify often exceed £250,000 per deal, and brands track 7-figure ROI results. Different niches, same formula. Trust times authenticity equals income. Let's talk about how brands actually reward creators, because understanding how the money flows is just as important as landing the deal. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, 79% of brands now run performance-based influencer campaigns, tracking every click, code, and conversion. Here's how the money usually breaks down. 1. Flat fee deals. Cash for content deliverables. In the UK, these range from £500 for micro creators to £25,000 plus for larger talent, depending on usage rights. 2. Affiliate or commission deals. You earn a percent of each sale. Typical range 10 to 30%. Some creators turn this into recurring monthly income. 3. Usage and licensing fees. If a brand reuses your video in ads, you get paid again, usually 50 to 100% of your original fee. 4. Retainers and ambassador deals. The fastest growing model. Brands now prefer 6 or 12-month partnerships over one-offs, rewarding consistent, safe creators. And how do brands decide what's worth it? They measure ROI, return on influence. Later's 2025 ROI study shows that brands earn £5.20 for every pound spent on influencer content, and that jumps to 8+ ROI when the audience perfectly matches the product niche. At the Social Billboard, we help creators show that value up front through trust scores. Brands can verify instantly. ROI insight reports that visualize your engagement and audience quality. And brand matching tools that connect you with companies already spending in your niche. And if you're a creator, treat your content like a business. Keep records. Use a separate account for brand income. Set aside 25 to 30% for tax and track all your recurring partnerships as predictable revenue, not one-offs. We'll dive deeper into managing and forecasting creator finances in an upcoming episode. But for now, remember this. Understanding how brands reward you is step 1. Structuring how you reward yourself is step 2. Here's the system that actually works. 1. Audit your content. Clean your feed. Remove off-brand or outdated posts. Use AI tools like the Social Billboard to check your brand safety score. 2. Build a mini media kit. Show audience demographics, engagement rate, and your best performing content. Add screenshots of comments that prove real influence. 3. Start with UGC campaigns. Platforms like Collabster, Aspire, and TikTok Creator Marketplace are gold for building proof. 4. Pitch with clarity. Hey, brand, I love what you're doing around mission. My audience of 30,000 demographic often asks for solution. I'd love to show how your product fits their lives. Offer value before you ask for money. That's how brands say yes. And for brands watching, stop treating creators like ad slots. Creators aren't your reach, they're your reputation. Give them creative freedom and they'll deliver authenticity, and that's what converts. Look at Duolingo times TikTok, SeatGeek times MrBeast, or Gymshark times Grace Beverly. Everyone worked because the brand trusted the creator to own the story. So if you're a creator, focus less on chasing brands and more on becoming the creator brands chase. Audit your content. Build trust. Know your data. And if you want to see how brand ready your channel really is, join our waitlist, where you'll get early access to your trust score, creator tools, and the system that helps you get brand ready and in front of matching brands. In our next episode, we'll go behind the scenes and show you how these deals are actually made, how to approach brands, negotiate smart, and use the Social Billboard to secure better rates and safer contracts. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Which brand would you love to work with and why?